Welcome to the Middle East AI News Minute for Tuesday, April 1st. Your 1-minute daily briefing brought to you by Carrington Malin, marketing for an AI-first world. According to PwC, the Middle East is expected to accrue benefits to the value of $320 billion from artificial intelligence by the year 2030. So perhaps it is unsurprising that AI is now making an impact on how countries in the region support Islam. This year, the UAE Council for Fatwa approved the sighting of the crescent moon, marking the beginning of the holy month of Ramadan using AI-powered drones, a first for the Islamic world. The council also deployed drones to detect the crescent moon of the Islamic month of Shawwal, 1446, over the weekend, marking the beginning of the 𝘷𝘰𝘮𝘓 holidays. Meanwhile, in Saudi Arabia, the Saudi Data and Artificial Intelligence Authority supported digital services to pilgrims visiting the two holy mosques during Ramadan. Computer vision systems were used to monitor and analyze crowd movement in the Grand Mosque to ensure safety and security. Inside the Grand Mosque in Mecca, Menara robots answered pilgrims' Sharia-related questions. Answers were provided via an integrated governed database, with the option of direct communication with top clerics via video call should the answer to the question not be available. However, a scientist specializing in Arabic language technologies at the Qatar Computing Research Institute was careful to point out that AI technologies should serve the faith and not impact or alter Islamic principles and practices. These were today's top Middle East AI news stories, brought to you by Carrington Malin. See my weekly news digest for more stories and useful links. Thanks for listening.